everyone. Of course, you deserve a healthy, refreshing drink in summers as well as in winters. Yes, most people do like to drink cold drinks in winter season too. Let's start with the recipe. For today's mojito recipe, I have squeezed out around 400 ml of fresh orange juice. Now this is passion fruit pulp. Passion fruits are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants. And this is the pulp. You have to mix in some water to dilute the pulp as these are a little sour in taste. As I am preparing more than one mojito today, mojito or to say a cocktail, I have two separate glasses full of 250 ml of water. This is blue pea matcha powder, that is aparajita flower powder, and this is dragon fruit powder. All these powders are available online. Mix both of these into 250 ml of water. Around 1 teaspoon is enough. Now freeze everything. Whatever shape you like, that's okay. While making refreshing cocktails and mojito, freezing out the fresh fruit juice and these powders will make them more presentable, more enticing. Cover the rim with lemon juice and smear it with sugar granules. Goes in freezed blue pea matcha and a big half slice of lemon, some mint leaves. If you like, you can add in some sugar granules. With a wonderful, delicious combination of these special exotic flavors like blue pea matcha and dragon flower fruit powder with fresh fruit juices, this drink will be everything you need for the summers as well as in winters. Yes, of course. And for the final preparation of our cocktail drink, I have mixed in around 200 ml of sparkling apple juice. You can mix in any sparkling drink, soda or plain water. So guys, what do you think about this? So what do you think about this drink? Super drink. Now what do you like about this one? What are the colors? Let's see. What are the colors? And can you guess what else I have mixed in this? Can you guess? What is this? Sugar is definitely there. What about
lemon?
And what is the blue thing and the pink thing?
Ice.
Ice, oh my god. Okay, so you are enjoying it. अच्छा लगा नहीं? Here in my hands is the fresh freeze fruit pulp, passion fruit pulp and orange juice. Now for the second jar, what I am going to do is mix in these ice lollies, or to say fruit popsicles, some fresh mint leaves and again a big chunk of the fresh fruit juice, crushed lemon, some soda. So that will be enough. No sugar also. Restaurant style mojitos and cocktails do look fabulous as they add in the layers, the colorful layers which these drinks have. So I already have 2 layers looking just awesome, colorful. The topmost layer is of blue pea matcha powder. Now the last drink. This is simplest one, but it will be tasty. In my channel, I come up with many more recipes of vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free and nuts-free recipe. If you haven't watched the other episodes, you can go through my channel and play the playlist or just the videos. Here are all the drinks.